How to hide or unhide all posts from Facebook timeline. So if you want to hide or unhide all of your posts from Facebook timeline, then first open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go for the upper right, which has that three bar. Go for your profile. Go for the three dots, which is on the right side. And then you need to choose activity log. And here you can choose your Facebook activity. Tap on manage post. And here you will have all of the posts that you have hidden from your profile or that you have not hidden from your profile. So if you want to hide anything from your profile, then you just need to choose the post and then tap on the three dots, which is on the right, and tap on hide from profile. But if you want to unhide from profile, then choose the hidden post, tap on the three dots, tap on add to profile. So that's how you can hide or unhide any post from Facebook timeline. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.